Hello, beautiful friends. How are you? Thank you so much for joining me for this super fun pole chair choreography. I'm going to splice in right now the full choreography with the song that I chose to do it to. It's I Still Dream of You by Kina. It's more of a slow, flowy song. I'm not sure because of copyright if you'll be able to hear the music in this next clip. If you can, great. If not, you can look this song up or choose a different song, okay? Something that connects with you. It can be slow and flowy, or you can totally make this choreography your own style. I'm excited to see how you guys make it your own. We're going to split this up and go over it in some different sections, okay? So first, let's talk about placement of the chair. We want the chair about 6 inches away from the pole. We do need it to have some space. It can't be right up against the pole. And this is how you want the chair to be if you're doing this for an audience, your mirror, your camera. It needs to be beside, not in front or behind. We want the chair part where you sit to be closest to the pole and the back to be furthest away. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this very starting position. We will be in this position here. Okay, so it looks easy. However, it does require you to use the same technique that we use for shoulder mount. So if you are familiar with shoulder mounting, we want to have that pole down with our elbows. Okay, we don't want the pole on any bone. We want it on the soft part on the back side of our shoulder. We're using our lats. Okay, that's going to help stabilize us up there so that we can make this position look effortless. You want to be on your tippy toes on the chair. Okay, no flat feet. Tippy toes. So I'm on my right shoulder. I have my booty out so that we come into a nice little back bend, and my right hand on my right knee, and my left hand, left arm, left lat. It's doing a lot of work right now. Okay, so we'll start here. Right arm's going to go back. It's going to go a little bit below the left hand. Now both elbows are pulling down so that legs can come off the chair onto the floor. And we're going to do a body wave. So what that looks like is chest up, ribs up, belly button up, hips up, and sit down. Hands can slide down with you. Left leg's going to extend. Move that left hip forward so that you can bend the left leg over the back side of the chair. My right hand's going to slide down so you come into a little bit of a funky grip here. Left hand's going to reach over for cup, and you'll extend both of your legs. Now, I am nowhere near a full split here. This is a very fake split. So even if you don't have a full split, you can still do this move. Really straight knees, point your toes, okay? From here, bend the right, use your hands, pull yourself up, cross your legs. Left hand on the back of the chair, right hand on the pole, and we're gonna stand up. Let's go a little bit further, then we'll stop and walk through that part again. Right hand's gonna slide up, you're gonna step 2 times. Left foot steps, right foot steps. Make them big steps. From here, ideally the left leg, use your outside booty muscles. Your quad is gonna go over the chair. Pirouette, face the pole. Okay, let's start that from the beginning. Shoulder mount shape. Booty back, left arm working hard so that we can look effortless here as we put the right hand on the knee. Right arm sweeps back. Brace yourself. Elbows going down. Toes on the floor. Body wave. Sit down. Left leg extends, bends. Left arm reaches over and splits. Bend the right leg. Bend the left leg. Hands on the left hand on the chair, right hand on the pole. Stand up. Step 1 with the left, 1 with the right. And pirouette. Briefly, we'll talk about that pirouette technique. You want to roll up over the knuckles of your top hand. I like to say, smell your armpit of the top hand. So over the knuckles, smell your armpit. Bottom fingers move up towards the ceiling. They go down, and you push off with your bottom hand. You let go whenever it feels comfortable to you. Fingers move up, go down the pole, over the top knuckles, and we're here. All right, so let's stop that part. We'll go on to the second piece. There's no specific amount of body waves you do here. It's whatever feels good to you, whatever your song's telling you to do. So maybe it's 1 body wave, maybe it's 2, maybe it's 1 plus a leg. All right, so take your time here. Play around with the music. After the body waves, we'll stand up. Hands are going to go a little higher. Bring your chest, your stomach to the pole. We're going to move the legs out and up and into a sit. If we do that from here, sometimes we can hit our bone down here. We don't want to do that. So after the body waves, bring yourself closer to the pole. Give yourself a little controlled jump or a slow pull up into a sit. Cross knee over knee. You'll slide both hands down and you'll drop back. Okay, again, my upper back is working hard here. Pull down, use your lats, use your upper back muscles. We'll straighten the right leg, we'll straighten the left leg, and we will do a static rotation on the pole. Bring the toes to the chair and wave up. Let's talk about that static rotation. We need to move our bodies to the left with our hands and our body. So how do we do that? Your hands are on the pole. They're going to help you a lot here. You can practice this on the floor. So I'm here. I need to move to the left. So I need both of my hands to turn to the right. Both of my hands are doing this. And that is what moves me around a static pole. Not just with this choreography, but any static rotation you're doing, you use your hands. Okay? Practice that first, then practice it with the sit. So I'm in sit. I drop back, straighten right, straighten left. Use your hands, use your body. Lean to the left. You can use your left forearm on the pole here to help you with this transition. Toes back, body wave. All right, let's take all of that together from the beginning. Shoulder mount position, right hand on your knee. And right hand goes back. Upper back lats. Toes down. Body wave. Left leg up. Bend. Funky grip the right hand. Cup grip the left hand. Split. Right leg bends. Left leg bends. Keep your toes pointed. Left hand on the chair. Right hand on the poles. Stand up. Big steps. Left leg, left leg up and over. Smell your right armpit. Body wave 1, body wave 2. And now prepare. Sit, hands down, drop back. Straighten right, straighten left. Static rotation. Onto the chair, body wave up. Excellent. All right, so from here, let's talk about the last part. Right hand moves up. We're going to do a dip around the pole, land back on the chair. Left leg extends back, left hand extends back. We're going to dip. Use your left hand as your push. Dip. Now from here, keep the right leg up. We're going to go right into a pirouette. Right leg's going to go over the top side of the chair, and you're going to hook onto the pole. Squeeze your heel towards your butt in this right leg. Okay, use your hamstring strength. Left hand's going to go on the top of the chair, and you're going to look up. Come into any pretty shape here. Now, stay low. You're going to re-grab the pole. Stay low. Fall forward. The pole's going to come and hit you. Land on your left quad. Hand on the chair. Here you have options. You can extend. You can bring this left leg forward. Go into some type of shape here. Again, you can play around with your song. If you straighten that top knee, rebend it. Left foot's going to go on the floor. Turn your hips down towards the floor. Extend that right leg. Option, you can go into a floor arabesque here. So grab the pole with your elbow pit. Squeeze those obliques on the right side and extend your left hand. All right. From here, we'll re-grab the pole with the right hand. Step the right foot in front. Tippy toes. Sit down. Left over right. And finish. Up on the toes of the right foot, okay? So we don't land like this. Up on the toes, arch your back. Pull down with your lats, okay? And ideally smile. Okay, guys, let's put all of it together. Shoulder mount position. Right hand back. Pull down with both hands, toes on the floor, body wave. Left leg up, bend, rotate, split. Bend the right, bend the left. Stand up, big step, left, right, left leg over. Pirouette, body wave. Add a leg if you want. Pull up, sit, hands down, arch back. Straighten right, straighten left. Use your momentum, use your hands. Back onto the chair, body wave up. Left hand back, left leg back. Dip, pirouette. Hook the right leg as high as you can. Left hand on the chair, right hand up and over. Arch back, look back. Re-grab the pole. Left hand lands on the chair. Take a second here. Go into any pretty shape you would like. Re-hook the right leg. Left foot comes to the floor. Rotate the hips down. Grab your right leg. Extend. And right foot back down. Swivel, sit, left leg over, and finish. Awesome, guys. I will splice in one more time the full choreography with hopefully the music, or if not, you'll at least see it in real time. Okay, have fun with this one. I'm excited to see how you guys, again, make it your own. Maybe put some heels on, add some hair flicks. All right, please message me with any questions. And yeah, looking forward to you guys having fun with this. See you guys soon. Bye.